Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Google Excel sheet. So simply first open your any Chrome browser and log in your Google account. So I'm already logged in a Gmail account. Press on this option Google Apps and showing it to sheet. Just press on, click on to blank sheet, then open Google Excel sheet and you can easily create any data. Showing you to more feature, follow the top bar. Okay, like right, if you want to change font style, press on to change font style, increase or decrease font size to bold font, italic, and change font color or select to border color. So, and if you want to write this name, okay, now write name. About setup, when you just close this, when you close this sheet, then automatically save this. Like reopen. So as you can see, now successfully save this. So that's it.